It is absolutely pouring, so we're going thrifting. We're heading to Goodwill. As many of you know, I just moved, so I am on the lookout for a lot of home decor type things to fill some walls and some spaces that we don't have anything there yet. I'm looking for things like end tables because we didn't have any at our last house. And I'm also thrifting for physical media today. I'm always looking to add to my collection. I upgraded my stand that I have and I can fit up to 300 records. So I have so much more space for vinyls. Not that I'm gonna fill it all right now, but I would like to add a few more to my collection. I have a wish list going of ones that I want specifically. So I'm gonna keep an eye out for that. And we're just gonna have a good day. We're gonna go to Goodwill and then we're gonna check out my favorite thrift store, which is an Ambets. So just 2 thrift stores today. This one is really good for like home decor and things. The other one is really good for physical media. Thrift store was really good today, especially for physical media, and that store is not really good for physical media. I found the Little Drummer Boy Christmas record. It's the only vinyl that I found, but it's kind of fun. I like Christmas vinyls. I found How I Met Your Mother Season 4, which is one of the ones that I'm missing. The DVD for Nancy Drew, but it just dawned on me, I didn't check. Okay, it's in there. Stephen King's Dr. Sleep. A Christmas Carol vintage VHS. Desperate Housewives Season 3 and 2. I only have Season 1. An Elton John CD. And Alice Sweeney's Good Bad Girl. So that's pretty cool. I found one of these metal stainless steel, at least I think it's stainless steel, strainers. So we'll pop it in the dishwasher. It does have like, I think a fake plastic wooden handle. We'll see, but I'm gonna pop it in the dishwasher. I got a big glass vase. This is specifically for our fireplace to hold seashells. Our other vase of them is full, so we're gonna start a new vase. My parents live in Florida. We see them a lot. I really like shells. I found this hand-painted light switch plate. I think we have one spot in the house that we could use this, and I think it's really cute. So we'll do that. We'll put that there. And then for outdoors, I was really hoping for some indoor decor, but I found these really cute hand-painted ceramic gnomes. They are so cute, and they're gonna go in my garden. So I'm not sure if they're sealed with anything, but they're definitely like hand-painted like at a ceramic shop. My grandparents used to have a ceramic shop when they were alive, so I'm really excited to have these. And I do have a bunch of ceramics from them that are gonna go in the garden too, but those gnomes are way too cute to pass up. And then this is, I'm not gonna open it now, it's the thermometer that like hangs. So that's everything I got at that thrift store. For sure was a good haul, especially for physical media. Got a little bit of decor, so I wonder if the thrift stores are gonna switch today, and actually at this Ambets that I'm at, maybe that one will be better with decor than it is physical media. So we'll see. All right, so I'm here at Ambets. Let's go and see what they have. Okay, I didn't do any filming in there. It was shopping. I did find 3 things on my wish list, potentially 4 little cute plates for plant saucers. These 2 were 99 cents and 74 cents. This one was $2.50, I think, because it's a bit bigger. And then I couldn't find anything ceramic or glass bigger than that, so I did also thrift a large plastic platter for one pot in particular, thinking that that will still be better than like the plastic saucer trays. Like this already exists. I'm hoping to host my first Thanksgiving this year. I found this adorable candle holder that's like fall Thanksgiving themed, so that's coming home with me. To go with it, I found 2 candles, so I need to find one more candle that's this size, that's one of these colors, or that's just like white for that candle holder. I got a frame for the travel wall, 2 DVDs, Ghost and Wild, a brand new Williams-Sonoma gunmetal bar tool set, got that, and then my other good find was Instant Pot cookbook with a ton of Instant Pot meals, and some of them are meat, but there's a lot of vegetarian grain type recipes in there too. So that's why I ended up getting it. I've gotten into the habit now of checking pretty much every purchase of a cookbook to see like how many meals are meat, because my husband and I don't really eat meat. I don't like to buy cookbooks without being able to see the table of contents to see how much of it has meat in it. So that was my thrifting haul of the day. Let's go home, clean things, and style things. Also, I was really surprised because AmVet's thrift store was so bad with physical media today. There were no vinyls. I got duped a couple times because I saw like covers for really what would have been awesome vinyls to add to my collection. But no vinyls to be seen, just the covers. They are usually really good with physical media and not as super good with decor, and they flip-flopped today with the Goodwill. So let's take everything home and clean it and style it. All right, success. We made it home. Let's unpack everything, and then a lot of this has to go in the dishwasher. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. Oh, well, that's disappointing. The kickstand came off of the frame, which is fine because this was going to be hung on the wall anyways, part of our travel wall. But nice. So this is going to go in the trash. All right, so these candlesticks were 49 cents. So this did not have a price on it in the store, but she gave it to me for $2.49. Such a good deal. This acorn, which I think is a real acorn, did come off of its cap right here, I think. So we'll glue that, but that's okay. Here, oh my God. I'm gonna have to melt these and attach them in there, but for storage. So it'll go like this in the middle of the dining room table. And then I just need one more candle in the middle that can be fall colored or just white. So it's basically from elbow to the top of my palm. That way, when I'm in the thrift store next, I don't have to look for like, odds are if you find candles, you're not going to find them with a specific size. So like this is from like the elbow to the top of my palm. Does anybody else measure like that? This is my $4 light switch cover. Let's remove the label. Awesome. It did not take any paint off with it. So cute. Okay. And the screw tops are also painted. Let's put everything in the dishwasher that needs to go in the dishwasher. I don't have one of these baskets, but I want to make potato chips, and I need one to make potato chips because you actually have to fry it. Maybe I could air fry it. Well, either way, now I finally have one of these in the dishwasher to be sanitized. This is going to be for shells. It's not going to ever have food in it, but I want to just run it through the dishwasher anyways. It was a $4 vase. All right, this is useless. We're gonna see what the dishwasher takes off. Plates, these plates are all like ceramic, so I'm not concerned about them going in the dishwasher. I do not think the plastic platter is gonna be able to fit. Slash plastic, like cheap plastic like that will probably get warped. Okay, so here's the first one. I'm pretty sure the coffee mug that I have that holds sewing clips that I thrifted a little while ago is the same pattern. If not, it's the same vibe. And then this is just a plain white one. Peeling these stickers off is the worst. I understand that they have to be super secure because lots of people pop tags. I would just wish they were slightly easier. It doesn't say on here. I'm gonna assume it's not dishwasher safe, so we're gonna hand wash it. This is the brand new Williams-Sonoma. Oh my God, the bottom of this tag says that it was $100, $99.95. All right, well, this is way better than the partial set that I have. Hand wash and dry thoroughly. That's a shame. I love things that are dishwasher safe. Literally brand new. Amazing. Hadn't even been opened. This is probably like one of those things that somebody put on their registry and thought they would use and then didn't. So I get to reap the benefits. Or maybe they bought one because they wanted one that was dishwasher safe. I mean, this is all just stainless steel. Why can't it go in the dishwasher? Yeah, tools are made of stainless steel with a gunmetal finish. Maybe it'll ruin the finish. That's okay. This is gonna go in the dishwasher. At least the first time, because I really like when I can sanitize things that have been in the thrift stores. $100 set for $3.48. My guess is somebody put this on their wedding registry and then just like didn't use it because this had not even been opened. All right, we'll see if the gunmetal finish survives the dishwasher. I think that's everything for the dishwasher. So we're gonna get that started. This was that thermometer. I think it was in a bin with all of these boxes, I'm assuming. Yeah, cool, okay. I wanted it for the outside. Oh, like how do you hang it though? Is there no actual way to hang it? I was hoping I could hang it. Maybe I'll like punch a couple holes and hang it with like a string. I don't know. We'll see. My $3.50 Ultimate Instant Pot Cookbook. I can't believe I did that with that open the whole time. Sorry, guys. These stickers, I will give it to them. They do peel off of books really nicely. And these are my two really adorable garden gnomes. They were $5 each, which is kind of high, but they were really cute. They were just put out 4/12/2026. Got some books, some DVDs, some CDs, a vinyl. Dishwasher ran, let's change this outlet cover and see how long it takes my husband to notice. Joke's on me, hope to notice in like 2 minutes. I'm gonna also save these in case my husband does not like this frame because it's his house too. I'm astounded by how many people commented on the video where I started by saying that my husband doesn't like wallpaper. I'm astounded by how many people were like, divorce him, or like, find a new husband. Guys, it's his house too. He doesn't like wallpaper, mostly because he doesn't want the hassle of putting it up and taking it down, which I understand. And we could not find a wallpaper that we both loved enough to move past his hatred of putting up wallpaper. So we compromised, and I love our solution. It looks so good in our dining room, and you can bet that if he doesn't like it, I'm gonna take it down and troll everybody and say, my husband doesn't like this outlet cover. So I took it down and I got rid of the Whimsy. Can you imagine? This says Jean, and then I think this might be like a year. I don't know. Oh my God, that's so cute. Look at the Whimsy. Look at the Whimsy. I love it. This is adorable. It is staying here until further notice. Thank you, Jean. Okay. Stunning. I just need white switches instead of yellow, which we bought. We just have to change them. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. My husband's gonna notice right away, I swear. Thank you, Jean. Okay, I've got a giant gallon-sized bag with the 3 books, the cookbook, and the Stephen King book, and the Alice Feeney book in a giant Ziploc bag. They're going in the freezer for 48 hours. I just recently learned that you're supposed to do this. This is not something that I had previously done. But in case there's any like bugs or like mites or stuff like that in the paper, you freeze them and then they die. All right, let's go put these guys outside. None of our garden decor is actually out yet, but I'm gonna put these on the steps, like of our back patio, just to keep them safe. Just to like keep them safe for now. Oh my God, that was almost disastrous. These guys are going all the way back. Woo, okay. These are helicopters from our previous house's maple tree. Hopefully they live, because we wanted to take a piece of the house with us and then be able to plant a tree in the yard. These are all of our mint plants too. I hope they come back this year. To be honest, I'm not sure. We'll see. So I've got my Elton John CD, just gonna add it to my stack of CDs. This was not part of the plan. Hi. Pepper had an injury to her face yesterday, so she's been requesting all of the hugs and all of the kisses, right? Oh, you sweet girl. You're a good girl. Yeah. She was zooming too hard and she ran into the corner of the wall. She hit it so hard that she like gave herself a brush burn on the side of her face. Yeah, you did. And then she also like tore out all of her hair that was there. She ran into the wall really hard and then she yelped. And then we realized that her face was bleeding. Okay. So I need a protective sleeve for my little drummer boy. And this is in paper. The record is dusty, so we'll clean it the first time we use it. This is gonna go down here with my other Christmas albums. I have White Christmas and then Michael Bublé Christmas. See, so much space for vinyls. So much space. Will you stop just dropping your bone? You're probably denting the new floor. So I only have season 1 of Desperate Housewives. So I'm really excited to have season 2 and season 3. I just watched it for the first time at some point last year. So good. What a classic. Okay, and then How I Met Your Mother season 4 is one that I was missing. And that's back here. Love How I Met Your Mother. So I have seasons 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gonna go back there with my friends. And True Blood, which I've never actually seen True Blood. So I should add that to my watch list soon. Okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Hi. Okay. This was not part of the plan, girly. All right. So I'm grabbing 3 blank sleeves. Okay. Excuse me. I would like to show the people. So Nancy Drew. Take it out of the DVD case. Ghost, what a classic. Okay, Wild with Reese Witherspoon. Amazing. If you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. I've had a really rough couple weeks, so this is just a little bit of a chatty video, and I did film an update talking about everything that's been going on, and that will be posting soon. But I just wanted to share this thrifting trip because I was really going through it at this point in time. But thrifting was something that just brought me a little bit of joy, and it was a couple hours where I wasn't dealing with anything outside of what's in the thrift store, which is honestly greatly needed. I'm hoping to get back to regular posting soon. Until then, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Happy thrifting, and I'll see you next time.